Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a haunted castle. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, dark green, light green, orange, and purple. This drawing is 23 squares tall and 23 squares wide. Let's start with the black color and skip 8 squares from top to bottom. In the square number 9, we'll mark 2 vertically, up to the right 2 vertically, up to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 2 vertically, down to the right 2 vertically, from this square go right 4 horizontally. From this square down 4 vertically, from this square go right 1, up to the right 2 horizontally. From this square go up 2 vertically, from this square go up 2 vertically, up to the right 2 vertically, from this square go right 6 horizontally. In this line, count 2 from left to right and below mark 2 vertically. From this square go down 1, down to the left 2 vertically, down to the left 1, down to the left 2 vertically, from this square go right 2 horizontally. From this square up to the right 1, down to the right 2 vertically, down to the right 2 vertically, down to the right 1, down to the right 2 vertically, from this square go right 7 horizontally. From this square down 3 vertically, from this square go left 1, down to the left 2 horizontally. down to the right 2 diagonally. Down to the left 1. From this square, go down 3 vertically. From this square, go right 1. Down to the right 3 horizontally. From this square, go down 2 horizontally. Down to the right 2 horizontally. From this square, go right 7 horizontally. From this square, go down 1. Down to the right 3 vertically. Down to the left 2 vertically. From this square, go right 2 horizontally. From this square, go right 1. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 2 vertically. From this square, go down 2 vertically. From this square, go right 4 horizontally. From this square, go down 1. From this square, go down 3 vertically. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 1. Down to the left 3 vertically. From this square, go right 2 horizontally. From this square, go up 2 vertically. From this square, go down to the left 9 vertically. From this square, skip 2 squares downward and mark 2 horizontally. Down to the left 5 vertically. From this square, go right 3 horizontally. From this square, go up 4 vertically. From this square, skip 2 squares downward and mark 1. Down to the left 6 vertically. From this square, go right 4 horizontally. From this square, go up 5 vertically. Up to the left 1. Up to the left 1. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 1. Up to the right 1. From this square, go down to the right 2 horizontally. From this square, go down 4 vertically. From this square, go right 3 horizontally. From this square, go up 4 vertically. Up to the left 2 horizontally. From this square, go right 8 horizontally. From this square, down to the right 9 vertically. From this square, go right 8 horizontally. Now let's color in all the marked squares. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so YouTube lets you know when we have a new video. Take the dark green color and paint this part of the roof. In the top corner, I leave a link to my Spanish channel with hundreds of drawings. Next, with the light green, we'll color in all these areas. Pick up the orange color and paint the windows and door. And now with the purple color, we'll paint the rest of the castle. And here's our finished drawing for today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like and comment with the candy emojis. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. Sending a big hug and lots of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!